Cryptocurrency is constantly evolving, and every new project brings with it new ideas, innovations, and ambitions. Pi Network, a mobile-first cryptocurrency project, has stood out from the crowd for its unique approach. Unlike many traditional cryptocurrencies, Pi allows us to mine coins using something as simple as our smartphones, making it more accessible to everyday users. Now, we're on the brink of something monumental. Pi Network's Mainnet launch, scheduled for the first quarter of 2025. This isn't just another step for the network, it's the most important one yet. It marks Pi's transition from a test phase to a fully operational blockchain, ready for real-world use. As a part of this global Pi community, I'm incredibly excited about what this launch could mean, not just for me but for all of us. Let's take a closer look at why this Mainnet launch is such a big deal, what it brings to the table, and how it could shape the future of Pi Network and its users. To really appreciate the significance of Pi's Mainnet launch, it helps to understand what a mainnet actually is. Simply put, the mainnet is the final live version of a blockchain, a fully functioning network where real transactions can occur and real value is created. Before this, Pi Network has been operating on a testnet. The testnet is like a sandbox environment where developers can try out features, spot bugs, and refine the system. While we've been mining Pi coins during this phase, those coins haven't been usable in a real sense. They were more like placeholders, waiting for the day when Pi Network would be ready to launch on its mainnet. With the mainnet launch, that day is finally here. It means Pi Network is ready for the world, ready for real transactions, real trading, and real opportunities. For those of us who've been mining Pi from the start, this is the moment we've been waiting for. Pi Network is different from most other cryptocurrencies, and that's part of what makes this mainnet launch so exciting. Let's talk about some of its standout features. 1. Mobile-first mining. Unlike Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies, Pi doesn't require powerful hardware or high electricity costs to mine. All you need is your smartphone and the Pi app. This makes Pi one of the most accessible cryptocurrencies out there, lowering the barrier to entry for millions of people around the world. 2. Eco-friendly approach. Traditional crypto mining can be incredibly energy-intensive, but Pi uses a proof-of-stake model. This approach ensures that mining doesn't rely on excessive computing power, making it much more sustainable. 3. Focus on everyday use. Pi Network isn't just about creating another cryptocurrency, it's about creating a digital currency that people can actually use in their daily lives. The goal is to make Pi coins a common medium of exchange for goods and services, both online and offline. So, what changes with the mainnet launch? Here are the key updates we can look forward to. First, full ownership and control over Pi coin. Until now, the Pi coins we've mined were essentially IOUs. We could see them in our wallets, but they couldn't be traded or used. With the mainnet launch, those coins will become fully tradable and usable within the Pi ecosystem. Second, a thriving ecosystem for dApps. The mainnet will serve as a platform for developers to build decentralized applications or dApps on Pi's blockchain. These dApps could span various industries from finance and gaming to social media and e-commerce. This opens up countless opportunities for innovation and growth within the Pi community. Third, decentralized governance. One of the most exciting aspects of Pi Network is its commitment to user participation. With the mainnet, users will have a voice in how the network operates through a decentralized governance model. This ensures that Pi remains secure, democratic, and community-driven. And finally, real-world use case. The development team is working hard to make Pi coins usable for everyday transactions. This includes partnerships with businesses and merchants, as well as creating marketplaces where users can buy and sell goods and services using Pi. As a user, I can't help but feel excited about the possibilities. The mainnet launch is a chance to finally see the value of the Pi I've been mining for years. But I also understand that this is just the beginning. Here's what I'm keeping in mind as we approach this milestone. First, realistic expectations. While the mainnet launch is a huge step, it doesn't guarantee that Pi's value will skyrocket overnight. The price of Pi will depend on market demand and how well the ecosystem develops. Second, a long-term vision. The real potential of Pi Network lies in its ability to grow and evolve over time. I'm focusing on the bigger picture, how Pi can make cryptocurrency more accessible and useful for everyone. And third, opportunities for growth. For investors and developers, this is an exciting time to get involved. The mainnet launch will attract more attention to Pi Network, bringing new ideas, partnerships, and possibilities. Looking back at the history of cryptocurrency, we've seen how other projects have grown after their mainnet launches. Bitcoin launched in 2009 as the first ever cryptocurrency. It took years to gain widespread adoption, but today, it's a household name. Ethereum launched in 2015 and introduced smart contracts, revolutionizing how blockchain technology could be used. Pi Network shares some similarities with these projects, but it also brings something new to the table. Its mobile-first approach, eco-friendly mining, and emphasis on usability set it apart from traditional cryptocurrencies. The Mainnet launch is more than just a technical upgrade. It's the start of a new chapter for Pi Network and its community. It's a chance to bring cryptocurrency into the hands of everyday people and to create a digital economy that's truly inclusive. As we move closer to this milestone, I'm excited to see how Pi Network continues to grow. Whether you're a longtime user like me, or someone just hearing about Pi for the first time, now is the perfect time to get involved, learn more, and be part of this incredible journey. Let's keep mining, stay patient, and look forward to a bright future for Pi Network.